That's a marvellous bit of parking there. Whoa, there's one on the pavement there. One parked on a footpath there. On the footpath there. One parked on a footpath there. Parked on the footpath there. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. That's a lot of crap parking. One there on the box jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. DJ YK Mule. Oh, there's a bloody stupid place to park. What an absolute bell end. Police parked in our Contemplate cycle lane, and there we got some more crap parking on the double yellows, forcing traffic into the Contemplate cycle lane. There's one on the pavement there, and another one on the pavement there. Two for the price of one. And here we have some crap parking outside of Lim House. Two of them there, parked on the pavement. One parked on the pavement there. That is a fantastic bit of parking. He's still parked there on the pavement. There's a nice parking space there. This one will rather park on the pavement and on the double yellows. Look at this one here, on the pavement and on the corner. Oh, and there's a motorbike on the pavement as well. One parked on the pavement there. There's one parked on the pavement there. And we've got a scumbag there, parked in the cycle lane on the red rates. Oh, there's a clever place to park right there on the corner. Professional driver with an unprofessional ability to park. Well, there's a stupid place to park. Look at that, blocking the cycle path. What a dickhead. That's a marvellous bit of parking. Look at that. Well, that's a marvellous bit of parking there. And there's one parked on the pavement there. That's interesting. There's a parking space there. And this one prefers to park in the middle of the road. Well, how's that for a fantastic bit of parking? Right next to a parking space, what arse? Look at that. There's a parking space right there. He drives on a few feet earlier, a few feet further, and parks in the middle of the road while he sits there playing with his phone. That's a clever bit of parking.